Hi guys, if Microsoft Word is lagging and super slow in typing, if you're taking a cursor from here to here, it is lagging a lot, then here is the fix. So what you have to do, you have to just click on the review tab. Okay, normally by default you're in home tab. Just click on the review tab and then click on comments, and if it is selected show comments, just uncheck this option and then try again and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't get fixed, click on this and make sure track changes is not selected. Make sure it is not selected also. Now, if this does not fixes your issue, let's move to the final fix or the third fix, and click on file and click on options, and now click on proofing, and now scroll to the bottom of the page and just select these two options: hide spelling errors, hide grammar errors, and click on OK. And then try again and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this also does not work, try opening Microsoft Word in safe mode. And how to do this? Just right click on start button, click on run, and just type WinWord space/safe. Click on OK, and this will open your Microsoft Word in safe mode. And now click on file and open your document from here in the safe mode and try again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.